Are you ready for another tip? It's Roberta again with another tip for sound 21st century business. And this one's really important because it says think for yourself. Now, I'm trying to tell you some things you should do, but the bottom line is that there's only you. You're the only one who can make up your mind. You got choices to make. It's your mind. Nobody can read your mind. I can't read your mind. I know what works for me. I'm sharing experiences. There are hundreds of people out there who are doing exactly the same thing. And please recognize, we are all trying to do one thing at the end of the day, and that is to convince you to buy us. You have to take personal responsibility and think for yourself. Get the information, but at the end of the day, you have to make the choice. So, make your own choices. Listen to the information. Get information, but you choose. Stay in control. Don't let anybody else tell you what to do. You choose, and that way you don't ever have to really justify to anybody else the choices you make. But you'll take the responsibility for the decisions you make as well. And unfortunately, sometimes in business, the consequences. So have fun, learn lots, but remember, you make the final decision. Thanks for listening to this tip. Bye for now.